Knock, knock.
Not this time, homie.
Let's see these parts. Let's see them. What's all that cocaine for?
That JDM Cokie Rep. Hey.
If it's not rep, you're spending too much money.
If you look, this whole thing is the double-sided.
Well, that shows you how much downforce they're thinking that's going to generate.
Damn! Shots fired!
And this is the
We
lip.
got ready, rep, lit.
This is the one that we crushed in the second video, right?
Yeah.
Actually, that would technically be the third video.
Gavin, rep. Your valence.
If it's not rep, you're spending too much money.
Wait, hold up. Is this a Sylvia rep?
Hey, that bumper's OEM though.
I think after this it will be.
Oh, shit. Last thing. OEM Ford Explorer side skirts. Didn't pay too much on that. I paid like $30 for both of these bags.
Talking about, man, he put those in his pocket and pull apart.
Bruh, I had to go to like 2 different pull aparts just to find these side skirts.
So what do you guys think of my sweet do-it-yourself body kit?
Looks tight. Dang, I gotta check out the draft. Do I put it like right here?
Asshole. Don't be jelly. Damn, she look nice though.
I kind of do
That's
like
good.
what you do with the sides.
Side skirts, yeah. Side skirts are pretty impressive. Just because they came off a freaking monster truck. From one monster truck to another.
Monster truck? Check out that fitment, bro.
That looks pretty good though.
I kind of like the exposed screw too.
I expect the zip ties for
Yo, don't be fooled.
next level right there.
There are zip ties. Actually, no. Surprisingly, there were no zip ties harmed in the making of this body kit. For sure. They're everywhere else on the car. But it came out good.
Yeah, it's impressive that you took what was already mismatched panels and made more mismatched panels.
I think the best
Dude.
part was hot glue holding this together.
I was telling him that he shouldn't paint it. I would leave it exactly like this.
Ken told me to just clear coat the whole car like this.
Clear coat it just
I don't even know if you need to wait to clear coat. But I think you should just leave it like this. Because if I see it like all uniform, it's just a little strange to me.
Or you can paint it so it'll be fresh, but you have to paint the exact same color like this. So this will still be burgundy, this will still be black.
But just fresh.
Yeah.
That would be hilarious.
Actually, that would be super hilarious.
That's my livery.
Wait, I
I
lied.
should leave the pinstripes too.
Zip ties.
Oh,
yo,
yeah,
3?
I'm stitching.
That's not bad. I'll take
Yeah.
3.
Pull up looking strange, we'll never be the same. Always smoking on flame. I ain't playing no games. 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 Pull up looking strange, we'll never be the same. Always smoking on flame. I ain't playing no games. 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 Fuck you and your feelings, that's just how I'm feeling. I've got some things for you to take, yeah, you know what the deal is. All my life I've been through pain, so somehow I gotta conceal it. I don't ever praise them, now I gotta go fight all these demons. I've been laying low to the point where nobody can see me. Number on my phone, just so nobody trying to reach me. I don't like to be alone, so what's the point? Somebody come teach me. Get the fuck up in my zone, pop up on like feeling so peachy, please believe me, yeah. Pull up looking strange, we ain't never be the same. Always smoking on flame, I ain't playing no game.